Alright guys, so back for another one, and in this video we are going to take a look at the Sony WF-1000XM5 Earbuds. Absolutely terrible name, but let's go ahead and open up this box. Teeny tiny box here. Looks like they're going eco-friendly with this one too. Let me go ahead and open the top off of this right here. It says 1000. Alrighty, so the case is quite small. I don't know what this thing around it is. Let me go ahead and take this thing off. It looks like a diaper of some sorts for this case. I don't know. Weird, huh? Alright, let me take off the diaper fully really quick. Super soft case as well. Very tiny, very tiny. Let's see what comes in the box here. Shouldn't be too much. All right, let's take a look. We have instructions. And what else? I think there's something here. And a whole bunch of books. Books a million. Y'all know I don't read, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put that over there. And then we got a little mini cable here. USB-C and USB-A. And we got 3 sizes. SS, S, and then L. What does SS stand for? What is that, super small? Where's medium? Oh, duh. Medium's probably in the freaking headphones themselves. Hey, yo, look at the size comparison of these compared to the AirPods Pro 2. You might mess around and swallow these things by accident. These are small. All right, and we have 2 phones to test these with. I'm going to test them with my iPhone, and I am going to test them with my Moto Razr Plus that I recently got. Yeah, so hoping for no issues, and I'm hoping for quality. Come on, Bluetooth. You can do it. Yes, sir. All right, let's test these. All right, guys, so don't want to waste too much of your time. I know you guys got places to be and money to spend, so I don't want to waste a trillion minutes talking about freaking earbuds for a million minutes. So let's go ahead and talk about the Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds. All right, so real quick, made a pros and cons list. So let's go ahead and talk about it. All right, so the first pro that I have on my list is that they're small and light, way smaller than the Sony XM4s that actually used to bulge out of my ears, and these are super lightweight too. So light to the point where sometimes I don't even realize that I'm having these on or inside my ears when I'm using them, which is excellent. That makes them great gym earbuds as well as great travel earbuds. So the next pro I have is the noise canceling features. Now these are pretty much best in class, up there with the AirPods 2. In my personal opinion, I'm an iPhone and an Apple user, but I still think these are actually a little bit better than the AirPods 2. These are what I call get you killed quality noise canceling, which means if you're walking down the street, if you're not paying attention and you have noise canceling on, you're gonna get robbed or hit by a car if you don't have transparency mode turned on, because the noise canceling on these headphones are so good. Completely drowns out AC noise, airplane noise, crying children. So just be careful. That's why I said the noise canceling is best in class. It's a pro, but it could also be a con in certain situations. So another pro that I wanted to talk about was the in-app equalizer. Now, if the sound signature that comes out of the box is not really your thing, you can use the sound signature equalizer inside the app to really get it to how you want, or at least pretty close to how you want, because I know definitely when these came out of the box and I just put them in my ears, it was not sounding exactly ideal for me and my preference. So yeah, in-app sound equalizer, really, really good, and it's something that my AirPods Pro actually doesn't have, so I'm really happy that these do. Now, on top of the in-app EQ, these have super excellent sound quality. Super crisp and super clear. Vocals come through really, really well. I believe the price is justified. Maybe if the price was $50 less, it would be a little bit better, but I'll talk about why when we get into the cons list really quick. Now, cons. I literally only have one con for these earbuds. Well, one con that could technically be tied into 2 cons. So the con is the bass. The bass is lacking, which makes the overall sound signature out of the box a lot less full. But like I said, that can be tweaked inside of the EQUALIZER app. So, but yeah, right out of the box, the noise canceling wasn't that great, and the bass wasn't that great either. Come to realize that I just had the wrong size tips that came default with the box that really didn't mesh with my ears too well, so I just had to change it to a different size. So if you guys bought these thinking the noise canceling kind of sucks, it might just be that you have the wrong size tips in, and it's just about changing the ones that came in the box with you. But because of lack of bass, even inside the equalizer, when I tried to turn the bass all the way up, because I'm a pretty big bass head myself, it didn't get quite to the level of bass that I would like. So how we rank things here over at DudeTube is anything over an 8.5 is excellent, but when you creep into 9 territory, we're going into an exceptional product. Now, because of the bass not being as full and as prevalent, even with the in-app EQ, I'm gonna have to take some points off of that, and for me personally, the price is a little steep, but again, that's just me nitpicking. So yeah, not necessarily into 9 territory, it did get pretty close though, so my overall final verdict and final score for this product is 8.8. I believe that's fair, I believe that's justified. If you guys have any questions, any comments, any concerns, please go ahead and leave a comment down below. I'd be more than happy to answer those questions when I can. And yeah, I hope this helped you make your buying decision, and I will see you again next time. All right? Take care, you guys. See you later.